I don't know where you got your information, Senator, but that is a lie.
I can also sue you for libel because we have not issued any clearance, Senator. So before you start talking, you make your facts right.
Nagkasagutan ng mga opisyal at residente ng Green Hills East Village sa Mandaluyong dahil sa planong construction ng 70-story condominium. Labag daw kasi ito sa zoning laws na
uminit ang tensyon sa Green Hills East Village sa Mandaluyong dahil yan sa planong pagtayo ng higit 70-story condominium. Proposed high-rise daw ito ng Shang Properties Incorporated o SPI na may projected 9-year construction timeline. Na-acquire ito sa halagang 2.5 billion pesos mula sa San Miguel Properties, isang subsidiary ng San Miguel Corporation ni ultra-bilyonaryo Ramon Ang. Kontra ang ilang mga residente, kabilang na si Senator Erwin Tulfo dahil sa paglabag daw nito sa zoning laws at kawalan ng konsultasyon. Nagsagawa ng town hall meeting ang mga residente kagabi.
Many of us only learn about this project through informal channels. No formal notice, no public hearing, and no consent was sought from the residents, a blatant disregard of our rights and our voices.
Ani Tulfo, mismong si Mandaluyong Mayor Menchie Abalos ang nagsabing approved ito ng barangay at ng GEVA o Green Hills East Village Association, panahon pa raw ng kanyang father-in-law na si Ben Abalos Sr.
Those elected or appointed to represent and protect our interests have failed to inform us, engage with us, or explain how such a massive development will proceed without our knowledge or input.
Umapela si Tulfo sa Mandaluyong LGU na i-review and if needed, i-revoke ang permit ng Shang Properties. Pero agarang bumuelta ang barangay sa senador. Anila, wala silang in-issue na clearance sa Shang Properties dahil hindi rin kumpleto ang documents nito at wala raw approval mula sa GEVA.
So I don't know where you got your information, Senator, but that is a lie.
I can also sue you for libel because we have not issued any clearance, Senator. So before you start talking, you make your facts right.
Katunayan, maski sila, nagulat daw sa biglaang heads up tungkol sa pagtatayo ng gusali. Sinisikap din daw ng board makipag-ugnayan sa LGU, kaya lang they were allegedly snubbed by local officials. Para sa barangay, nagmistulang atake ang mga pahayag ng senador.